I was born. Be quiet and be quiet and be quiet. So my mom used to cut it out. Ah! Shut up. Hey everyone. It's TJ Reviews here with 2013 Disney Nature's Wings of Life DVD previews.
Oceans. African cats. Chimpanzee. Disney Nature brings to the big screen epic stories, starring the wild creatures of our planet. Stories with drama, humor, triumph, and unforgettable characters like Mara, Freddie, and Oscar.
Call me.
And from the very beginning, Disney Nature has committed itself to making a meaningful difference in the world. And we've made the Disney Nature audience our partners. For every ticket purchased opening week to see a Disney Nature film, moviegoers are participating with a portion of their ticket going to help our planet and its wild creatures. Through special programs coordinated by the Disney Worldwide Conservation Fund, with growing emphasis on connecting a new generation to nature.
It would be utterly useless in my continuing to try and save chimpanzees if we're not raising new generations to be better stewards than we've been.
And now, Disney Nature is proud to announce our next motion picture event. Bears, coming to theaters to celebrate Earth Day 2014.
What we're trying to do is to take people to one of the most beautiful landscapes on our planet, Alaska, and engage them in a really emotional story.
Shut up, I'm talking.
The grizzly bear.
Be good, Joe, big.
Our filmmakers will transport
Sorry, not
audiences
yet.
to the remote and untamed shores of
And
Alaska
as a
hey,
there's a dog.
into the lives
Come here.
Grizzly bears are
Like Damien, just like Isaac. Isaac.
social, gentle
So,
creatures.
he takes
Iconic
and Trisha, and Trisha. My friend. And DVD menu. Overboard. No. My friend, the girl. Brad. I wonder if Brad. Brad. I wish Brad. Brad Pitt. Due to the voice of not too bad. Brad. I really love this movie. My favorite character is the narrator, played by Meryl Streep. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.